has come, it's cold.
Hi guys, it's Jake, and today I am going to be showing you how to set up RetroArch as a emulator. So first what you want to do is open Google Chrome and first find the RetroArch website. It's just retroarch.com. So once you're here, you should have a page like this and go to Get RetroArch. Once you're here, click on Download Stable. Since I already have this downloaded, I won't download it, but you should. So so now that I have this downloaded, I'll go to the setup, and here it is right here. So I'm gonna double click on it to open it, and click on Next. You can read through this if you want, but just accept when you're done, unless you don't want to. Then in here on choose the install location, the default one should be fine. Just click next, and then this won't pop up for you. Just let it install, but I already have it installed. But once you have this installed, what you want to do is go back to the Google and go to a website called ROMs Mania. Once you're here, go to the console you want to use. Some of them don't work. I recommend the NES or the SNES. If the one you're not looking for isn't there, go on to the view all consoles list. Once you found it, go through and find the game you want.
3 hours later.
I will use Mega Man. So find Mega Man and go to more options and click on the bottom one. Now in this window, go to wherever you want and make a folder. Title it whatever you want. This will be where you keep your games. Go into this folder and save it there. Once you have it saved, go out of your browser again, and now go to your desktop. You should have a shortcut for RetroArch. Double click on it and it should open. Once it has opened, you can use a controller to go around it. So you want to go down to online updater, the core updater. Go down to the one you want. I already have a NES one installed, so I don't need to. But you can just go down and just click on it. And once you have it installed, go up to load core. Click on the one you want. Go down to load content. Go and navigate to the folder you made. Once you're in there, you can find your game. Click on it and click on load archive. And if this pops up, just click on the top one. I hope that's how you get how to emulate games using RetroArch. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.